Scott Talk, shopping by bike. We're putting in 3 tables at the Publix here for outdoor eating. See stuff every day. Got some milk and yogurt and applesauce. Let's load it up. It is a little cool. Got a cool week with the Arctic cold front coming in. It's Tuesday, July 27th, 2026. All right. All right, easy peasy. Practice makes perfect. Get out and ride, get some exercise. Like, share, subscribe, thanks, and all that good stuff. Bye.